Hi, this is Christian with MISO BIM.
This tutorial topic is importing image files. This course is considered beginner level. You will learn how to import images into your drawing area and how to edit the scale. To import an image into Revit, go to the Insert tab and above the Import panel, select the Image tool. From the menu that opens up, you can select the allowed image file types from your computer. Select the file and then click Open. Notice the options bar change, informing you of the active command. The left corner of the status bar also gives you a hint of how to place the image. The large X shows you the extents of your image file. Left-click once to place it into your view. Another way to import images is to simply minimize your Revit window and drag and drop an image from your computer into your drawing area. Keep in mind that images can only be imported into 2D views and sheets only. You cannot import an image into a 3D view. You cannot change the transparency of an image, but as an alternative, you can import a PNG file without the white background. After placing the image, notice the options bar now shows the lock proportions and the draw layer settings. Remember that these settings can also be edited in the Properties palette. Above the Arrange panel in the ribbon, you can choose to bring the image to the front or back. These settings are helpful when you have various elements overlapping. You can manually resize the image by dragging one of the endpoints. If you have the lock proportions unchecked, you can change the width or height of your image. You can also specify the exact dimension of the width and height in the Properties palette. To scale the image, keep the lock proportions checked. Have the image selected and click on the Scale tool above the Modify panel or use the shortcut RE. The Options bar allows you to scale elements graphically or numerically. Graphical scaling requires 3 clicks. The first click determines the origin. The next 2 clicks define the scale vectors. In this case, let's set the origin point at the corner of the door opening. Place the second point on the opposite corner of the door opening. The third click will place the third point and change the previous length by moving the second point to the third point. An easier method is to type in the new length after your second click. Type in 3 feet for the door length and your image will scale to show a 3-foot door opening. You can check by using the Measure tool in the Quick Access toolbar. To scale numerically, enter a scale factor such as 0.5 for half scale or 2 for twice the size of the original, and then specify the origin. That concludes our beginner course on importing image files. Thanks for watching.